Today, I'm going to show you how to cut out an image in Photoshop in a fast and beginner-friendly way. If you want to remove a background, isolate a subject, or prep an image for a thumbnail, product shot, or graphic design project, this is one of the easiest methods to learn. And best of all, you can do it using Photoshop's built-in selection tools without needing to trace around every edge by hand. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open Photoshop and load the image you want to work with. To do that, go to File at the top, then click Open and choose the image from your computer. Once your image is on the screen, take a moment to look at the subject you want to cut out. This could be a person, an object, a product, or anything else you want to separate from the background. Now, in the left toolbar, find the Object Selection tool. It usually looks like a dotted square with a cursor, and it may be grouped with the Magic Wand tool. If you don't see it right away, click and hold that tool group until the menu appears, then choose Object Selection tool. You can also press W on your keyboard to access it quickly. Once the tool is selected, move your mouse over the subject you want to cut out. Photoshop will often highlight the object in blue, which means it has detected the main subject. When you see that highlight, click once and Photoshop will create a selection around it. You should see the familiar marching ants outline snap into place around the subject. This is Photoshop telling you that the area is now selected. If the subject is simple, this may be all you need, but if your image is more complex, or if Photoshop does not select everything perfectly, there is another great option. Look at the top options bar and click Select Subject. Photoshop will analyze the entire image and automatically find the main subject for you. This is especially useful for people, animals, and objects with more detailed edges. After the selection appears, check it carefully. If Photoshop missed part of the subject, or if it selected too much of the background, you can refine it before cutting anything out. In the top options bar, you'll see icons that let you adjust the selection. Use the plus icon to add areas that should be included, and use the minus icon to remove areas that should not be selected. You can paint over the parts that need fixing until the selection looks right. Take your time here because a clean selection will give you a much better final result. If needed, zoom in on the image so you can see the edges more clearly, especially around hair, corners, or detailed objects. The more accurate your selection is now, the better the cutout will look afterward. Once your subject is selected the way you want, the best next step is to use a layer mask instead of deleting the background permanently. Go down to the Layers panel, usually in the bottom right corner of Photoshop, and click the Add Layer Mask icon. It looks like a rectangle with a circle inside it. When you click it, Photoshop will hide everything outside the selection and keep your subject visible. This is the safest way to cut out an image because it is non-destructive. That means if you make a mistake later, you can always go back and adjust the mask instead of starting over. The background should now disappear, and you'll see transparency behind your subject, usually shown as a gray and white checkerboard pattern. And that's it. Your image is now cut out in Photoshop. You can move the subject onto a new background, use it in a design, or export it with transparency for later use. This technique is perfect for beginners and works great for quick edits when you need clean results fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials, editing tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.